This video compares Gigapixel and Upscale, two leading AI image upscalers. Choosing the right tool can dramatically improve your photo quality without losing detail or introducing artifacts. Both offer unique approaches to enhancing images. Gigapixel and Upscale are AI-powered image upscalers designed to enlarge photos while preserving quality. The core difference lies in Gigapixel's commercial-grade proprietary AI models versus Upscale's open-source community-driven approach focused on accessibility and customization. Gigapixel, developed by Topaz Labs, is a premium AI image upscaler that uses advanced machine learning to enlarge images up to 600% without losing sharpness or detail. It works by analyzing image patterns and textures, then reconstructing missing pixels intelligently. Gigapixel excels in producing natural-looking results, especially with portraits and landscape photos. Its strengths include a user-friendly interface, batch processing, and integration with other Topaz products for seamless workflows. However, Gigapixel requires a paid license and relatively powerful hardware for optimal performance. It is ideal for professional photographers, graphic designers, and content creators who demand high-quality enlargements with minimal manual adjustments. Upscale is an open-source AI image upscaler that leverages state-of-the-art neural networks to increase image resolution while preserving detail. It is free to use and supports multiple operating systems, making it accessible for a wide audience. Upscale's workflow involves applying pre-trained AI models that enhance edges and textures without introducing significant noise. Its strengths include transparency, community contributions, and the ability to customize or add new AI models. On the downside, Upscale may require more manual tweaking for best results and can be less polished in user experience compared to commercial software. Upscale suits hobbyists, developers, and users who prefer open source tools and want a cost-effective way to upscale images. Gigapixel and Upscale both deliver impressive upscaling but cater to different needs. Gigapixel offers a polished, ready-to-use experience with consistent, high-quality results, ideal for professional workflows. Its AI models are optimized for a variety of image types, requiring minimal user input. Upscale contrast provides flexibility and transparency through its open-source nature, allowing users to experiment with models and settings. While Gigapixel performs better out of the box, Upscale appeals to those who prioritize cost savings and customization. For example, a photographer needing quick, reliable enlargements may prefer Gigapixel, whereas a developer interested in AI experimentation might choose Upscale. The trade-off is between ease of use and adaptability. Choose Gigapixel if you want professional-grade upscaling with minimal effort and consistent high-quality results backed by robust AI technology. Upscale is the best choice for users seeking a free, open-source solution with customization options and community support. It's perfect for those comfortable with a hands-on approach who want powerful AI upscaling without the cost. Both tools excel depending on your priorities.